With Auth0 Tenants, you can implement a breadth of business to consumer, business to business, and business to employee use cases and architectures. Check out our planning guides for help integrating with Auth0 using a phased approach. An Auth0 tenant creates a logical isolation of your specific configuration of Auth0, including any registered apps, connections, and user profiles. If you've had a free, non-subscription Auth0 account, you may have noticed that you were limited to one non-production tenant. Remember that a tenant name cannot be changed or reused once deleted. Once you move on to a paid subscription, you will be able to represent your software development lifecycle by creating multiple tenants tagged for development, staging, and production. Additional tenants can be provisioned to align with any other stages. When you assign the production environment tag to an Auth0 tenant, that tenant is subject to different rate limits than your non-production tenants. You will also want to set up your tenant dashboard users. Keep in mind that if you lose access to your only existing tenant admin account, there will be no way of recovering access to your tenant. You may want to create more than one tenant admin or use a service account email that is not tied to a single user. Note that multi-factor authentication MFA is now mandatory for your tenant dashboard users that log in with either username and password or third-party social connection apps. You will need to enable at least one MFA factor for your dashboard users. Auth0 recommends setting up multiple factors so you can still access your account if you lose your primary device. Dive into tenant architecture and security best practices by checking out Okta's Secure Identity Commitment Learning series under the Security tab on okta.com/training.